What's going on YouTube? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Today we are going to be cleaning these Puma Thunder Spectras that Vic went ahead and got dirty for us. One quick fun fact about Victor, he actually helps his dad on the weekends landscaping, so he got these pretty dirty. There's some grass stains right here on the midsole, as well as some dirt on the uppers. So I'm not sure how well that grass stain is going to come out from the white midsole, but we will go ahead and find out. So today I am going to be using Reshoevn8r's 4-ounce 3-brush kit, a bowl of water, and adjustable shoe tree to help form the toe box and apply more pressure to get a deep cleaning. So without further ado guys, let's get started. All right, for today's video, we are just going to be cleaning the left shoe. So I'm going to put the right one to the side. First step guys is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't cheat this time, so I'm not sure what size this is. Size 9, so I think it's gonna be like the 4th one from the top. Yep, there it is. As you can see, it helps shape that toe box. Now the next step is to remove the laces. All right guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step is to go ahead and clean the uppers. I am going to begin with our soft bristle brush, but beforehand, I'm going to move the bowl over to the right, just to make it a little more easier for myself. And the brushes. So you're going to want to take your bottle of solution, just pour a few small squirts into your bowl of water, just like so. I'm going to get my soft bristle brush. Dip it into our bowl of solution and water mix and begin cleaning the uppers. Real quick guys, before I continue cleaning the uppers, I do want to point out 2 small patches on this shoe. Right here, this is a dyed suede that is red in color, and then we have the back heel tab as well that is dyed blue. I'm not sure if any of the color is going to bleed. Most cases, red dyed suede does tend to bleed. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean it anyways, whatever happens. If I have to use Vicks mink oil, I'll use that. But just a heads up, if you are cleaning any dyed suede, just be careful not to make sure to oversaturate it because it will bleed. All right guys, I am done using the soft bristle brush. One thing I do want to point out guys is that suede did bleed. As you can see, it looks like it's a lot on the towel, but looking at the material, it doesn't look too bad. I still have a lot of that red color left. The blue, not so much, it didn't bleed too bad. So you can see it on here as well. It's not as bad as the red, obviously, but I do still see a few deeper stains guys on these midsoles right here from the grass. Right here on this yellow upper, this material is a little different. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is move on to the all-purpose brush, hit up those midsoles, some of these deeper stains, and then I'll move on to the outsoles using the stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right guys, real quick, while I was using this medium bristle brush on this like nylon type of material, I did notice that it started to fray. I'm not sure if you can go ahead and see that on camera. We'll go ahead and try to get you a close-up right here. When I was cleaning the material, like I said, there was a deep stain here. I tried getting it out with the medium all-purpose brush, but it did start to fray. So instead of using that brush guys, I am just gonna continue cleaning that nylon material with the soft bristle brush and try to get the best clean I can. right, guys, I am done cleaning the uppers. Go ahead and check that out. All right, guys, before I move on, a couple things I want to point out. On this nylon material, like I mentioned when I was cleaning with the all-purpose brush, it did start to fray, so you can see that fray there. But also, there's a little bit of like a bluish tint color, which I don't know if it got on there from the blue dye from the suede, but it's weird because it's also on the exact same side but opposite, and you can see it right there, but it's not on any other part of the nylon. So I'm not sure if the leather bled or what that's from, but there is some blue right here and right here, which unfortunately wasn't coming off. So I'm not sure exactly where that's from. But the next step, guys, is to move on to the outsole, and that is gonna be cleaned up using our stiff bristle brush. All right, there you go, guys. The outsole is done. Looking really clean and nice. Go ahead and check that out. All right, guys, now that I am done cleaning the shoe, the next step is gonna be the laces. We're just gonna go ahead and grab them, dip them into our bowl of solution and water mix. So now that the laces are clean, guys, we're gonna go ahead and just set these aside. The last step is just to go ahead and let the shoe dry. We're gonna go ahead and do that. Put it in probably in front of a fan because it's a little gloomy outside. Let it dry for a little bit, and then we'll lace them up and we'll see what it turns out to look like. So let's go ahead and let them dry. All right, guys, I am back. I went ahead and let these Puma Thunder Spectras dry overnight, and as you can see, they cleaned up pretty nice compared to this right pair. So a few things I do want to point out, guys. As I mentioned before, there was a little bit of bleeding. I'm not sure where it's from. I don't know if it was from this back tab right here or this suede, but the weird thing is it happened the exact same part, but on the other side. So I don't know if it was this leather or that suede, but unfortunately, it didn't come off of this nylon material. But overall, I am super satisfied with this cleaning. Got all the green grass stains off of the midsole. The uppers are looking clean from that dirt. And of course, the outsoles are looking nice and clean as well. Let me go ahead and show that. Go ahead and check out that midsole. And then obviously the uppers. Now the last step to do, guys, is to reset the nap on this suede material. As you can see, it's a little darker than the original color, and it's a little crispy, like it's like hard texture, I would say. So all I'm gonna do is take the all-purpose brush that comes in this kit, brush it in multiple directions to bring that nap back, and then we'll go outside and spray it with some mink oil. All right, guys, now that the nap on the suede is reset, let's go ahead and go outside, spray it with some mink oil. I'm also gonna take the soft bristle brush, so that way every time I spray the suede, I can go ahead and just apply pressure to get that mink oil deep inside that material. Let's go. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this cleaning. Go ahead and check out that suede. It's looking nice and clean after that mink oil. Once again, guys, I cleaned up this shoe using Reshoevn8r's 4-ounce 3-brush kit, and then finished it off with some mink oil that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. If you're not already subscribed, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit me with that like button as well, and let me know in the comment section below, are you digging what Puma's doing with these Thunders? I like this colorway. What about you, Lee? No? I really dig it. Let me know in the comment section below if you dig what Puma's doing. I'm Johnny Bubbles, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.